Hi, I'm Patrick with Quality Screen Company, and today I'm going to show you how to measure for and install roll-away screen doors on French doors like these. Before you can measure, you need to determine where you're going to mount your screen. You can either mount it to the inside jamb recess, or you can mount it to the outer flat surface of the frame. We're going to mount ours to the inside jamb recess. So first we'll start by measuring the width. Simply measure from the left recess to the right, and again measure in multiple locations for consistency. That figure is 60 inches. We're going to subtract 1/4 of an inch from the width to allow some extra clearance for the tracks. This gives us a screen width of 59 3/4 of an inch. For the height, we're going to measure from the brick threshold all the way to the top of the jamb. That number is 80 7/8 inches. Now we're going to subtract 1/8 of an inch for clearance. This leaves us with a screen height of 80 3/4 inches. Now I'm going to measure the height of my doorknob. This way I can align my screen handles to it. Here are the screens ordered to our dimensions, and here are the upper and lower tracks. One of the screens has set pins that hold the screen open. This will be the screen over the fixed door. Now that we've determined which way the screens go in, we're going to mount our handles. The measurement of our door handle was 37 inches. So what we're doing is we're taking a measurement from the bottom of our roll-away screen to 37 inches, and that's where we're going to place the bottom of our handle. So we went ahead and piloted some holes for our screws to make installation just a bit easier. And now we're going to go ahead and install them. So now we're ready to install the roll-away screen. As you can see, the mount plate is hinged to the roll-away screen mechanism. So all you do is screw in the 3 screws and then snap the mechanism shut. We've got our first roller screen in place. We're going to run our screws in and then snap it in place. We're going to snap it closed, and this side's done. Now that we've got our first side installed, we're going to install the other side that has the stationary pins. So now we're going to snap it in place just like we did the other side. Now for the tracks. Start by sliding the upper track into the roller guides of the screen on the left side, then mount the upper track with the screws provided. We're going to mount the lower rail the same way we did the top, but as you see, we have a brick threshold. So we're going to have to use a masonry bit and masonry screws to mount the lower rail. Now that we have the screens and tracks in place, we need to snap the screen on the right into place. All you have to do is pull the screen out to allow some slack. Lean it back to allow clearance. Line up the lower and upper guides to the tracks, then stand it upright. So there you have it. The rollaway screen doors are now installed, and the installation took me less than 20 minutes. You know, most people aren't even aware that you can screen in French doors. These rollaway screen doors are not only effective, but they look great as well. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at qualitywindowscreen.com.